Our mechanism is a set of levers, springs, rivets. It is a mechanical part subject to wear and tear that needs maintenance. So once in a while, on all the joints, rivets and various linkages, various points where there can be friction, you will need to lubricate with silicone spray or with a spray appropriate to lubricate and not dirty. Our mechanisms have Teflon washers interposed in all the joints of the linkages. However, these Teflon washers need once in a while, once a year, some lubrication. This is to preserve the mechanism and prevent creaking. So how do we do this? We remove the mattress. We purchase silicone spray. So something that doesn't grease, doesn't unscrew. Aggressive products we don't need. To unlock, we need to grease. We remove an armrest. And we go and identify all those parts where there is a movement. We will have several rivets in our mechanism that hold together 2 or more levers in these positions only. A little spray. And we're done. The squeaking is gone.